Okay, so today I'm going to show how to, if you're not familiar with creating references, how to use Citefast.com. This is a good beginner website to help you learn how to create references. I do always recommend using like an actual APA guide rather than Citefast.com, but this is good for beginners. So first step, go to the URL box up at the top, not down here, up here, and type www.citefast.com. Okay, and it'll take you to Citefast. You always want to make sure that APA is selected. You don't want MLA 8 or Chicago, that's a different style. And the first step is to select the source. So you have to choose, is it a journal article, a web page, or a book? So I'll just do web page for now. I always recommend doing manual entry. I don't think when you put in the URL it pulls up always the right information. So do manual entry. You're going to put in the author's name here. If there's more than one author, you're going to add the author. Click the Add Author button. If there's no author, there should be an organization that published it on the website. I'll just type in a random website. I'm trying to think. I have a lot of nursing students, so I'll search for a website, nursing. I'm going to use this one. Okay, so right away I see on this website, I see ANA, American Nurses Association. And this is the article on the website. Okay, good. I'm looking for the date now. I don't see any date here that this was published. I'm going to look at the bottom and see if there's anything that says when the website was last updated. There isn't, but it's definitely published by the American Nurses Association. Okay, and this is part of a bigger website because there's a bunch of other stuff on here. So I'm going to go back to Citefast now. Oh, and the title is What is Nursing? Okay, so let's go back. So organization, American Nurses Association, because there's no author, so I'm going to do the organization. See, it says organization there. Then for the year, there's no date. I could not find a date on this website, so I'm leaving that blank. Document title, What is Nursing? Question mark. This is definitely part of a greater website because there's a lot more on there. Is this likely to change over time? Probably not. Now I need to go back and copy and paste the URL. So I'm just going to go click in here, copy this, see copy, and go back, paste this. Okay, good. Now I'm going to hit Save Citation. Okay, and this is my reference right here. It's all done for me. American Nurses Association, comma, no date. What is nursing? Retrieved from. That's perfect. Okay, that is correct. So I'm going to click on it, and it's already highlighted. So all I need to do is right click so that it says copy. And then I would just go to my document, wherever I was going, and I would just copy and paste this, which I'm trying to open a new document right now. It's not working. Here we go. And then I would just paste this right here. Okay. So there is my reference. You would want to make sure it's double spaced on a reference page probably. So you would just make sure it's double spaced. Okay. All right. Thank you.